Hello viewers, welcome to the amazing Shan's kitchen. Today we are going to make Persian mutton sabzi. For this, the ingredients we require a lot of green leafy vegetables for this. I've taken mutton about 500 grams. Fatty mutton will give taste to our gravy. Spinach, I've taken one whole bunch, cleaned and washed nicely. Fenugreek leaves, I have taken quarter bunch. Spring onion, one whole bunch. And coriander leaves, about half a bunch. Rajma beans soaked in water for 12 hours, about 200 grams. Oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons. Cinnamon, cardamom and cloves, little of each. Turmeric, 1.5 teaspoon. Chili powder, I have taken about 2 tablespoons. Salt, 2 tablespoons. Pepper powder, 2 teaspoon. 1 fresh lemon and 1 dry Persian lemon. This dry Persian lemon is easily available online. And saffron strands, about 24 to 30, soaked in water. Fresh cloves of garlic, about 20 to 25. Onion, 1 medium size, diced finely. So these are the ingredients. Let's prepare our gravy. I had cleaned my leafy vegetables, all the greens nicely. We should chop it very finely. It's a beautiful afternoon, raining outside. I can see from my kitchen. Now back to my kitchen. We should take a pan, non-stick pan, light on the flame. Let the pan heat. We'll add the oil to it, about 2 tablespoon oil. Now we'll add all the chopped leaves. I've cut it very finely. Stir nicely. We should cook this on a low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep stirring in between. There should be no water left. Keep stirring in between so that it doesn't get burnt. Now in another non-stick pan, we will add oil, the remaining oil. After the oil has been heated, we'll add the cinnamon stick, the cardamom and the cloves. Now we'll add the onion to it. Give it a stir. We grinded the garlic cloves to a fine paste. Now we should add the garlic paste to the onion and stir nicely. Now we'll add the mutton pieces to it. Give it a stir so that the redness on the mutton disappears and it's coated with oil. Stir nicely. Now we will add the rajma beans which we had boiled in a pressure cooker for about 15-20 minutes. Now we will add salt, turmeric, chili powder and the black pepper powder. Stir nicely. So that all the spices get nicely mixed. Keep stirring. And now we will add water, about half liter of water. With the help of a fork, we will pierce the Persian lemon and put it in the gravy. Now we will add all the leaves which we had cooked in a separate pan. Now stir nicely. The gravy is cooking on a high flame. We have to cook for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. If you want to make it fast, you can use a pressure cooker. Now add the saffron strands which we had soaked in water and the lemon juice. We had taken a fresh lemon, so squeeze the lemon juice and add it. Stir nicely and let it cook. After about 45 minutes to 60 minutes, our gravy is done. If you use a pressure cooker, it will take half an hour. Now serve it in a bowl. Our Persian mutton sabzi is ready to serve with saffron rice. Perfect for dinner. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Do like and share with friends. See you in my next video. Until then, eat healthy and stay fit.